are going to start with today advertising, the remaining part of marketing management. What is advertising? Advertising means providing adequate knowledge about some special product, service, idea to potential consumers so that they are stimulated to buy it. We just want to give information that we are producing this product. If we are producing some product and we are keeping it at our home, nobody will know that we are having. Then how we will sell it? It will be very difficult in the absence of advertisement to sell the product. It refers to paid and non-personal communication to the target market from an identified sponsor using mass communication channels. Adequate knowledge about a product means to let people know the name of the product, its functions, size, price, and place of the availability. The organizations providing service or idea give information regarding where, how, and on what conditions their services or ideas can be made available, and how the same can be helpful to the people. Today is the age of competition. Consumers buy commodities after careful consideration. Under the circumstances, manufacturers are faced with the problem of how to motivate the consumers to buy their product. To find a solution of this problem, manufacturer makes use of advertising. We just want to face the competition and we just want the maximum sale of our product. So for that we have to give adequate knowledge about the product to the consumers. And for doing that we are using advertising. Here two basic features are highlighted. Paid form. Advertising is not out of paid means we have to pay something, we have to make payment, and it is non-personal communication. You are not facing your consumers, you are not facing the camera itself, you are hiring some models etc for giving presentation of your product. This year only the features of advertising is there in the syllabus. So only topic in the book is features of advertising. Features of advertising. Okay, what are the main features? See, you can see one advertisement here. Providing adequate knowledge about some product, service, idea to the potential consumers so that they are stimulated to buy it. It is shown on a big screen. So what are the main features of advertising? It is a paid form. Only that attempt of seller on which she has spent some money to communicate information to the consumer is called advertising. If without incurring any expenditure some information relating to some product or a service is published, it is not called advertising, it is called publicity. Free of cost, whatever the information is spreading about your product, that is called publicity. But if you are paying something, you are spending some money, that is called advertisement. So advertisement is a paid form. Advertisement is a paid form, you have to spend some money on it. Then which is impersonal presentation. You will not face the camera or you will not go on radio. Advertising is non-personal presentation of information. In other words, the advertiser and the consumer do not come into personal contact. Advertising is a monologue and not a dialogue. We just hire some models for doing the presentation of product. Then speedy and mass communication. It's very speedy. If an advertisement comes on TV, what will happen? It will spread very speedily and to the mass number of people. Advertising is a speedy medium of communication. Besides being speedy, its operational area is very vast. Mass communication. Mass means a lot of people will see it at the same time. In other words, it reaches millions of people simultaneously. So it is a speedy and mass communication. Fourth and last feature of advertising, bache, identified sponsor. Another feature of advertising is that its sponsor can be identified Whenever we come across an advertisement, its sponsor is easily recognized. Obviously, its sponsor can be either the seller of the product, or if due to some reason it is difficult to identify the sponsor, then that information cannot be called advertising. It will be called propaganda or publicity. If we don't know who is giving the advertisement, so it will not called advertisement, it will be called publicity. If it is done by someone else, if you are producing, suppose, this pencil, and you are giving advertisement on All India Radio or on TV, international TV, then what is there, that is called advertisement. You have paid for this. If one of your friend will suggest that this company is making very good pencils, this company is making very good pencil, it is told by your friend, one of your friend, it is called publicity. It is not advertisement, because you don't know the sponsor, who is the producer of the pencil, you don't know. That is called publicity. If you know the producer, and producer is sending someone to tell this, then only it is called advertisement. So what is advertisement, bache? Advertisement is a medium through which providing adequate knowledge about some product or services ideas to the potential consumers, so that they are stimulated to buy it. We are advertising our product to someone, and only four features are there, bache. First is paid form. You have to spend some money. Then impersonal presentation. You will not face the screen, you will hire some models for doing this. It is a speedy and mass communication within a very short span, means within a twinkling of an eye, the advertisement will go to mass, a lot of number of people, and then identified sponsor. You always know who is giving this advertisement. So this was all about bache advertisement. Okay, advertisement. This was all about. The next is only one part is there, na? Features only. The next is bache sale promotion and public relations. Sale promotion and public relation. What is sale promotion? These days it will happen. The days of Diwali, Dussehra, festive season. Everybody is doing sale promotion. What is sale promotion? Sale promotion refers to all those activity other than advertising. Sale promotion refers to all those activities other than advertisement, personal selling, and publicity. Except these three, whatever you are doing, that is called sale promotion. Sale promotion activities mainly include lowering the price. You are giving discount, 50% off. This is sale promotion. Then distributing coupons. You are giving coupons. If someone will use this coupon, they will be given discount. Then conducting contest, Bonvita quiz contest. These contests are representing Bonvita. So they are just a sales promotion technique. Giving away gifts, free gifts with every purchase, etc. It is not a regular activity. It is not a regular activity, bache. It will be done on a specific occasion. Diwali, Holi, on festive seasons or on some special occasions, it is done. It is not a regular technique. So, it is only on special occasions that this media is used in order to stimulate sales. We just want to increase the sales. Sale promotion is no longer a fashion, it is a necessity in the present day business scenario. It is through sale promotion that both the consumers and middlemen are motivated. We are not only motivating the customers, we are motivating the middlemen also, the wholesaler and retailer. So what is sale promotion? It refers to short-term incentives which are designed to encourage the buyers to make immediate purchase of the product or service. This is sale promotion. All those activity other than personal selling, advertisement and publicity that stimulate the consumers of purchasing and dealer effectiveness, such as display, we are displaying something, shows and exhibitions we are conducting, demonstrations, various new recurrent selling efforts, not in ordinary routine, which we are not doing in ordinary, we are doing in on occasions. It is not a regular activity, it is an occasional activity, and we are doing lowering the price, giving discount, or giving distributing the coupons, conducting contest and giving away gifts. All these items comes under sale promotion. Other than advertisement, other than publicity and personal selling, whatever the things are coming, those are under sale promotion. Any doubt, बच्चे?